All right, crispy air fried chicken. Let's break this down. It's super easy. You're gonna love it. This is an easy recipe. I get hit up a lot about this. I do explain it pretty well on the regular channel, but like it's hard to explain the little things I do to make it crispy. So we're just gonna show it all here. You can follow along in depth and it should work really well. All right, ingredients: cornflakes, flour, eggs, obviously a chicken thigh. I choose the chicken thigh more often than not. You could do a breast. I like thighs. They're like juicier in the end. They're a good cut for fried chicken in my opinion. But if you're going lean, you're trying to lose weight, whatever it is, obviously the breasts are fine. So basically you just put your flour in. You wanna like really dredge your chicken, get that flour everywhere. Do 2 eggs over 1. You can do 1. You're just gonna find out that you're gonna use all of that egg. Mix it up good. All right, dredge it in. You might want to do this prior to the egg part, but it doesn't matter. You're gonna take cornflakes. I like to crush them up. I like to crush them up because they get in all the crevices of the chicken, and you're gonna see why in a second here. And this is why right here. So we're gonna coat the top a little bit because I don't want that egg to fall off. And then I'm gonna press down, and then I'm gonna really squeeze it in. Squeeze it. This is what everyone misses. This is what in my opinion, I think people aren't getting it. Their coating is falling off because they're not doing this part. You have to like press that cornflakes in. All right, so there it is, nice and coated. There might be a couple spots showing some chicken. Don't worry about it. You know, it's not perfect, but it's gonna be perfect. This is another crucial part that I think a lot of people miss. Okay, you gotta oil. You gotta get oil on this. It is an air fryer, but you do gotta put oil on it. It's just the point of an air fryer. You can use a little bit of oil, and it goes a long way. Now, the key here is to let it rest a little bit. You know, don't put it down on your table. Put it on a wire grate, leave it in the air fryer. Take the air fryer drawer out and just leave it in there, let it cool a little bit, because it's so hot that if you put it down on your table, it's gonna like make steam underneath, and that makes water and it makes it soggy. So you gotta let it sit for a little bit. That's a beautiful sound, you know? So there it is. I mean, it looks gorgeous to me. It tasted fantastic. It was super juicy. It wasn't dry at all. And it was past 165. It was 170 and it was still juicy. So I couldn't be happier here. I hope you give it a try. Let me know how it went. I want to know. Hit me up in the DM, okay? Everyone asked me for this. Here it is. I'm happy to give it to you. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.